Oh, yeah, heading in the right direction. Woo, look at the reach. Oh my God, look at that. Hey guys, look at this. It'll be just heading out in that direction there. How do I get it out of the sun? Look. It's just like flying a plane. Just like flying a plane. Ooh, oh my God. So you should see the bridge coming up around this bend.
That looks really good.
Piloted aircraft nearby, Wani.
Low battery.
Yeah, it's going to send me home. Anyway, I've got another battery. There we go. Now it'll go up to 100 metres.
Is that it doing it now?
Yeah.
What is it doing that for?
It doesn't like being...
Oh, it's going to come back.
A certain distance, yeah. So that's, yeah, obviously didn't fully charge on my charger, which is annoying. I should have another battery in there.
Can you shade that? Can you shade that?
Careful, eh?
It's a boat.
Careful.
Oh, it is a helicopter. That is a real helicopter up there.
Careful.
Holy shit.
Where is it?
Can you see it on the camera?
Yeah. Can you override that, Adam, or not?
Yeah, I just did.
That's a real helicopter, and this is the drone. Can you shade it, Ez?
Can you see the helicopter?
Keep it in the shade. So you're coming down now.
Oh, straight up. Whoa.
Yeah.
Up there.
Yeah, and now it's just coming down.
Right up.
Be careful. Oh, really? Detected the piloted aircraft.
We were at Carindale the other day finding there's a drone park there, and when there was a
Oh, the
plane...
other one?
Yeah, but an actual commercial plane went overhead, and it said piloted aircraft nearby.
Oh, no way.
Hey, what the? Where are you going?
What's it going to land on?
Oh yeah. Good boy. Oh, there, come here.
Looks very droidy, doesn't it? It's going to miss the box.
Good man.